M3 M4 Senna. So as you can see, we got the M4 parked up. It's looking real good. We got the car pretty clean for today's video. But if you guys haven't seen the last video, we went ahead and installed a new carbon fiber diffuser on the car. You see, this time instead of the 2 fins that we had on the plastic one, we got the 3 fins, and this outer one is slanted instead of coming straight down. I think it looks a lot better, a lot more aggressive, especially with this Valve Master exhaust with these big 4-inch tips. The rear end of this car is actually coming together. We have to get a spoiler. We got to black out the M4 badge, and that's pretty much it for the back. They also sell these diffuser fins on the side, so these side pieces is actually a 3-piece diffuser. You can replace these side pieces for a more aggressive piece, carbon fiber. That is nice. A Brabus G-Wagon, that's wild. You guys join us up at FSE Racing. We got a few supercars together. We'll go for a drive. Over here is a McLaren Senna looking really good, a Brabus G-Wagon, got a Urus Performante, and a couple GT3 RS 991.2s. This one in yellow is really nice, but the interior on that Brabus is blue. But we'll be able to check these things out at the main meet. We're heading to a main big meet out in OC, so we're gonna hop in the M4, get on the road. Oh my god, that's Senna though. We've got a nice group of cars today. I'm sorry I couldn't walk around them here at the starting grid for you guys, but we'll be able to see these things on the road, and then we'll all park up together up at the big car events. Here we go. This car sounds so good. Oh my god. Man, look at these cars. Jeez. What a sight. Which one you guys taking, man? An M3 Competition, McLaren Senna, or a Porsche GT3 RS? Oh my god. Bro, the GT3 RS just sounds like an F1 car. There's no getting around to say that. Urus is nice too though. I love that they put launch control in the manual, just so even if you don't want to launch it, you can still do the sequence to make that sound. Look at the McLaren Senna. That is a car. that truck SUV is getting rollers right now. That's gotta look wild. M3, M4 Senna. That's hilarious. It's a nice combo too. I don't know if you guys see me chasing down the hypercars in the F82 a few months ago, but since it's one of our most popular videos, you could really see how the F82 kept up full throttle with these cars on the street. It's no different with the G82. If anything, it's even easier in this car because the performance is just another step up. So if you guys are considering getting these cars, man, F82 M4, G80 M3 M4, dude, absolutely do it. For any price tag, fun just to drive by yourself, but keeping up in a convoy safely, I think is key with these things. You don't feel sketch at any given point. If anything, with the G80s, you feel a little bit more confident because the tail end doesn't kick out as much. It stays planted. It's a really much more usable car, especially when you get to tuning. Just listen to the S58. It sounds so good with this exhaust system. Wow. Man, this thing is quick. Listen to that. Man, this is a nice sight. Huracan in yellow, and then a 765 LT. There we go. Oh, this thing sounds great. We got the M4 parked up, looking good next to the M3, and the other cars parked up over there. So we're gonna go check them out, check out some of the Supercars first. If you guys don't know about this place, this is South OC Cars and Coffee. We've been here a handful of times, but haven't been here in a while, let alone with the G82 M4. This is technically the biggest cars and coffee event in the world, and you can pretty much see why right here. There's people everywhere as far as I can see, but not only that, you have some of the coolest, most unique, kind of like supercar type cars here. So just got a couple of turbos right here. Love them in the flat chalk gray. Look at all the Lambos lined up. These are all Huracans, Base, Evo. I think this is a Perf. Yep, Performante. And we even have the Spider, different kind of Huracans here. So here goes the Brabus G-Wagon that we were riding with on the road. We get a chance to check this thing up close. Obviously the full body kit on this thing is wild. The hood, fully replaced carbon fiber, vents, badges, Big B. Whole bumper is also different from factory, more aggressive. You can see it even has lights up top as well. And just check out the interior on the Brabus though, man. Full blue everything. Headliner full Alcantara as well. Look at the carbon, very nice. You can see these are 3 cars we rolled up with on the Convoy, Senna GT3 RS, and that Urus Performante. This thing, you can see up close. Just look at all the carbon fiber work, the intakes on this, the wing. Wow, very mechanical wing at that. The exhaust is actually right there as well. It's got a roof scoop though, from factory. The other one we saw was modified, but this one, man, this one is bone stock, so you gotta, and it's in a darker color, so you kind of just get to see it for what it is. Tiny windows. You can see the interior on this car. Carbon bucket seats, steering wheel, paddles, full carbon tub. I mean, this is a hypercar, $1 million car. It looks like it. They definitely didn't short out on this one. Look at this though. All black 992 GT3 RS. This is one of my favorite cars out right now. I know everybody hypes up the Porsches, but obviously I wouldn't spend over 200 grand over sticker for this car, but for what it is, man, price aside, beautiful looking car. But if the back's not thick enough with that wing, come around front, you see those louvered fenders. Then look at the front end, the fans for the hood, full carbon hood at that. Very nice with the gray wheels instead of black. I like the spec, man, it's very subtle. But you gotta love the 458. I mean, this is a classic. This is the Italia, the coupe. It looks like a bone stock one. Beautiful car, especially in black. You don't often see them in anything other than red. This is also a good angle of the show here. You see all the exotics lined up. This Ferrari, I've actually never seen this one before. If you guys know what this is, I think it's a 296 or something like that. The new one, I think these have the 6-cylinder turbocharged motor. But check this thing out. I think it's a super light. These are kit cars. You can put whatever motor you want in. I remember there's one back in Michigan with the V10 from the M5. Same color as this. I think they allow you to paint. Obviously, you can paint whatever color you want. But I think they offer some factory paint colors for these cars when you kit them out. Doors go up. Super cool car. Looks very exotic and expensive. But it's not as expensive as you would think. I think you can get the kit for this car. It's just under maybe 100 grand or less. You just have to do all the work after the fact, put the right steering wheel, motor, transmission, all that kind of stuff yourself. But this right here, it's got to be one of the coolest GT3 RSs I've seen. I mean, just look at the BBS wheels on that. It's perfect with this color combo. I believe it's chalk gray. He's got the plaid inserts, racing steering wheel as well. This thing is nice. The Ferrari's got the little details. See the plaque with the Italian flag, their colors. Next to this, look at this GT3 992. Nice wheel setup on the contrast with the paint and the wheels. If you guys know what this color is, let me know. I really like this shade of blue. I'm not sure what this is. It almost looks like some kind of something based off of Ford GT with a body kit on it. You get everything from exotics to stuff like this, classics, old school cars. Wow, the smell of this, man. I wish you guys could smell it. Very cool. But also look at this, full wooden car as well. This would be a great beach car, take it surfing. Very California type of vibe right here. Then you got the Volkswagens, the vans, right? Old school. This is a cool spec on this E28 5 Series. Gray, black wheels, cloth interior though. Not only is it black, but it's also got like peanut butter door cards as well, gauges. That's nice. 5-speed. It's a nice Porsche color on this F80. Gold wheels, Ruby Star Res. Nice. Damn, look at this. Wide body JDM car. Big muffler too. That's at least 5 inches. Damn, this thing is nice. The old school 3 Series. Super low to the ground next to a new school. You kind of see the old school versus new. You got some of the M boys over here, G82 M4. But look at this F80 slam down, dark blue color, white interior, competition too. Got a white one. Got some more BMWs over here as well. This looks like the new Mustang. I haven't seen one of these in person. You kind of tell the headlights are way different. Ooh, but this, man. Ooh, I think this is Dabbit Gray on a G80 M3 Comp. It's got the nice 21-inch wheels, 20 in the front, 21 in the rear. Gotta love the grills got on this one too. Then you got old schools like this, old school Datsun 240Z. They got the feds up here too. This is what, Explorer, policeman. You don't want to see these things behind you, man. More cars pulling in. That's the GT3 RS we drove with earlier. He split off and rolled with these guys in. Looks like a Ford GT. That there is a classic, man. Those things have skyrocketed in value. The Ford GT looks like a Turbo S cabriolet. And then behind that though, 812 super fast, very nice. There's a bit of me, man. V12 natural aspirated. I like the wheels on it. I think they're aftermarket, but with the OEM center cap, Florida plates, beautiful car. But this right here, M5 CS in that green color, it's got the gold wheels. As you know, this when this car came out, it was the fastest sedan around the Nürburgring, making it pretty much the fastest sedan in the world. I would love to own this car. This might be the only newer BMW that I would sell anything for. Man, wow, just perfect as is. It's got 4 bucket seats on the interior, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. Got some more nice spec BMWs. This one has a nice body kit on it, wheels. This one's like dark blue as well, nice wheels on that. Check this G80 M3 comp out. It's got the nice 21-inch and performance wheels, red interior. It's like frozen black. It's E92 M3. It's got the GT3 spoiler. Comes out pretty far. Beautiful BBS wheels on this car. It's lowered. Got the perfect fitment. It also has Recaro bucket seats on the interior. But next to that, M2 comp also has the BBS wheels, perfect fitment as well. I like the side skirts as well. I actually haven't seen these before. They poke out like that. Very nice. But it's crazy to see the F87 M2, the looks on this versus the G87. I don't know, this still hasn't fully grown on me yet. It looks cool, it's boxy, but compared to this design, man, even that, E92 F87 and then this, I don't know, man. This one has mods on it too. It's got front lip, side skirts, body kit. It's not lowered yet, but you guys gotta let me know which one you guys prefer. You hear both these cars right now. You hear the F87 mostly right now. This one's pretty much stock, very quiet. You can see that LED diffuser on the back. It's like my F82 M4. Very nice. Again, you can see the back design. I don't know, man. Looks better with the mods for sure. Still needs a drop, bring the wheels out a bit, but still, I just like this design better. And this thing is nice. Liberty Walk RX-7 full kit. Like I mentioned, this car was completely stock last time we've seen it. Got the manual, of course. Come around back. Super aggressive. Pretty much like a race car body kit. See, we were riding with the McLaren Senna earlier, but this one's modified. He's got wheels on it. He's got a wrap. Wow, just seeing one up close though, you can see the intakes, the wing on it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you guys are interested in supporting the channel as well and want some merch, go ahead and go to propercarsonly.com. Get yourself or your loved ones some merch, and I'll see you guys in the next video.